Hi student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about 25% deleting syllabus of mathematics part second of board examination February 2022. So this is the PDF of mathematics part second for class 12 science. So first we goes to first chapter and name of the chapter is differentiation. And in differentiation, successive differentiation or nth order derivative of some standard function. That is, in a differentiation, successive differentiation is deleted. In differentiation, successive differentiation is deleted. This is a page number 56. On page number 56, successive differentiation is deleted. That is, nth order derivative is deleted. So here on this page, that is page number 56, example 1 deleted. In this example, first problem x to the power m, second we find the nth order derivative of 1 upon ax plus b, third log x, fourth sin x, fifth cos of ax plus b, and last e to the power ax into sin bx plus c. So all these problems are deleted. That is example 1 deleted. Next, on page number 60, exercise 1.5, exercise 1.5 and problem 4, that is find the nth derivative of the following. In this problem 4, sub problem are 12. All these 12 problems are deleted. That is problem first, second, third, fourth, up to 12 problems are deleted. So this is the deleting syllabus from the unit, and name of the unit is differentiation. Next, we goes to applications of derivatives. Applications of derivatives. That is here page number 69. Sorry, we goes to exercise 1.5, page number 69. And here is find the nth derivative of the following, that is ax plus b to the power m, second 1 by x. This 4, problem number 4, and in this problem number 4, the problems are 12. All these problems are deleted. That is page number 60. This unit, that is the problem number 4, is deleted. Next, in applications of derivative, approximation is deleted. In applications of derivative, that is problem, that is chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is applications of derivative, and approximation is deleted. Here example 1, find the approximate value of under root 64.1, deleted. Example 2, find the approximate value of 3.98 to the power 3, deleted. Next, example 3 deleted. Example 4 also deleted. Example 5, that is find the approximate value of e to the power 1.005, given that e is equals to 2.7183, is also deleted. Example 6, Find the approximate value of log 998 base 10. Given that log e base 10 is equals to 0.4343. That is example 6 deleted. Example 7, that is the find the approximate value of f of x is equals to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 3 at x is equals to 1.98. This problem is also deleted. For board examination February 2022, remember. Next, exercise 2.2, and this exercise 2.2 is completely deleted. In this exercise contains the problem that is from problem number 2 first to 6, and all these problems are deleted from exercise 2.2 on page number 75 in board book. On page number 75, exercise 2.2 is completely deleted. Remember this. Next, on page number 76, Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem is also deleted. Example 1, check whether conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied by the following functions. In this example 1, unit first, that is subunit first, subunit second. Both these units are deleted. That is, this problem number first and problem number second is deleted. Next, example 2 deleted. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equals to x square minus 4x plus 10 on closed interval 0, 4. This problem is deleted. Example third, that is given an interval AB that satisfies hypothesis of Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square plus 3. It is known that a is equals to 0. Find the value of b. That is example 3 is also deleted. Example 4 is deleted. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equals to e to the power x sin x minus cos x on closed interval pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. This problem, that is example 4, is also deleted from board exam for board examination, that is February 2022. Lagrange's mean value theorem is also deleted. That is LMVT is deleted. Then example 1 on page number 79. On page number 79, example first, verify Lagrange's mean value theorem of the function f of x is equals to under root x plus 4 on the interval 0, 5, deleted. Example 2 also deleted. On page number 80, exercise 2.3, and this exercise 2.3 completely deleted. Remember this. Page number 80, on page number 80, exercise, remember that exercise 2.3 is completely deleted. This exercise contains problem number first to problem number 7, and all these problems are deleted. Next, and deleted part, that is from the board book, delete by highlight delete, we highlight the deleted part by yellow color. Miscellaneous exercise 2. Here multiple choice questions are given. In first, choose the correct option from the given alternatives. That is problem number first, or multiple choice question first is deleted. Remember that only the first multiple choice question, that is this first multiple choice questions is deleted. Next, 10 10 number multiple choice questions is also deleted. That is the approximate value of tan 44 degree 30 minutes given that 1 degree is equals to 0.0175. This is also deleted. In board book on page number 93, in board book on page number 93, verify Rolle's theorem, that is problem number 6. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equals to 2 upon e to the power x plus e to the power minus x on closed interval minus 1 comma 1. This problem number 6 is deleted. Problem number 8, that is the find the approximate value of the function f of x is equals to under root x square plus 3x at x is equals to 1.02. Problem number 8 is also deleted. Problem number 9 is also deleted. Remember that is page number 93. Next chapter, and name of the next chapter is indefinite integrations. Indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. On page number in bold book, on page number 138, page number 138. Second, integrate the following function with respect to dx. Problem number 8 and problem number 9 is deleted. Problem number 8 and problem number 9 is deleted from indefinite integration. Next, definite integration. Definite integration. In definite integration, fourth chapter number 4th, on page number 151, definite integral as a limit of sum deleted, completely deleted. On page number 152 in board book, page number 152, example 1, that is integration 1 to 2 2x plus 5 into dx deleted. Example 2 on page number 153. On page number 153, example 2, integration 2 to 3 7 to the power x into dx is also deleted from board syllabus for February 2022. Example third, integration 0 to 4 x minus x square into dx is also deleted. Example 4, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x into dx is deleted. On page number 156 in board book, page number 156, exercise 4.1, evaluate the following integrals as a limit of sum. In first, that is problem number first, second, third, fourth, fifth, all these problems are deleted. Remember that exercise 4.1. First, evaluate the following integral as limit of sum, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these 5 problems are deleted. here, page number 173. 173 in board book, page number 173. Reduction formula. Reduction formula. And this complete page is deleted. Reduction formula. This complete page is deleted on page number 173. Next, differential equation. Next chapter, differential equation. Linear differential equation is deleted. Unit, that is linear differential equation, on page number 204. 204, page number 204. Linear difference unit, name of the unit is linear differential equation, is completely deleted. Then solve the problem, that is example 1. Solve the following differential equations, that is first, second and third. All these three problems are deleted. Example second, the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point is equals to y plus 2x. Find the equations of the curve passing through the origin. This problem is deleted. Solved example. This example 2 on page number 206. Example 2 is deleted. Next, exercise 6.5. Exercise 6.5. Unit first. Solve the following differential equation. And this unit contain 11 problem. That is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All 11 problems are deleted because these are the problem on linear differential equations, and these 11 problems are deleted from board syllabus for February 2022. Exercise 6.5. First, solve the following differential equations from first to year 11. All these problems are deleted. Next, on page number 216, on page number 216, multiple choice question 10 deleted. Multiple choice question 10 deleted. That is the integrating factor of linear differential equations. This multiple choice questions is deleted. Next, on page number 217, that is 217, problem number 5. Solve the following differential equations, and sub questions are 4th, 5th, 6 and 7 are deleted. 4, 5, 6 and 7 are deleted on page number 217. Page number 218, problem number 6, and sub questions are 2 and 3. That is x plus 2y square into dy by dx is equals to y when x is equals to 2y is equals to 1. That is question number, problem number 2 and 3 are deleted. That is, in this way, by discuss about the deleting syllabus on differential equations. So dear student, I request you, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Last chapter, problem number, name of the chapter is probability distributions. Probability distribution. Probability distributions on page number 233. On page number 233. Probability distributions of a continuous random variable is deleted. Solved example. Example first is deleted. Example second deleted. Example third deleted. On page number 235, example second and example third are deleted. Page number 236, example 4 deleted. Example 5 deleted. All these problems are solved problem. Page number 237, example 6. Verify if the following functions are PDF of a continuous random variable x. That is example 6 is also deleted. Example 7, that is find k if the following function is the PDF of random variable x. This example is also deleted. Example is deleted means example and its solutions is also deleted. Page number 238, example 8 is deleted. For each of the following PDF, this example is also deleted. Example 9, that is find the CDF capital F of x associated with PDF f of x of random variable x, where this example 9 is also deleted. Exercise 7.2 on page number 238, problem number 1, verify which of the following is PDF of random variable x. This problem number first and sub questions are first, second, third. All these questions are deleted. Page number 239, problem number 2 deleted, problem number 3 deleted, problem number 4 deleted, problem number 5 deleted, problem number 6 deleted, problem number 7 deleted, problem number 8 deleted, problem number 9 and problem number 10. That is this exercise on page number 238. Exercise 7.2 is completely deleted. Exercise 7.2 is completely deleted. So again, I request you, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Next. Miscellaneous exercise 7. Multiple choice question in first, multiple choice question first is deleted. Multiple choice questions first is deleted. Multiple choice question second is deleted. Multiple choice question third is also deleted. Next, page number 243. Solve the following. Page number on page number 243 is page number 243. Solve the following. That is here first, and in this first, sub questions are first, second, third, fourth, fifth. All these fifth questions are deleted. Page number 244. Page number 244. 13, 14 and 15 is not deleted. Sorry, is deleted. 13, 14, 15. That is three problems. Problem number 13, problem number 14, Problem number 15 are deleted. और ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ये यानी गलती से हाईलाइट हो गए, ये डिलीट नहीं हो गया प्रॉब्लम नंबर 10, ये आपको है, तो ये मेरे से गलती से हाईलाइट्स हो गए। तो ये पेज के ऊपर जो है पेज नंबर 244, तो आपको सिर्फ 13, 14 एंड 15 भी डिलीट हो गए, इसके अलावा कोई डिलीट नहीं है। सो इन दिस वे वी डिस्कस अबाउट the 25% deleting syllabus of mathematics part second for class 12 science Maharashtra State Board exam February 2022. So again, I request you, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Okay.